friends, here to discuss about the realization of digital filter. First, you have to study a FIR IR filter, transfer function of FIR IR filter, and different structure used by IR filter. First, FIR. FIR means finite impulse response. If you put an impulse that a single one sample followed by many zero sample, zero will come out after one sample made its way through the delay line of the filter. Why? The impulse response is finite. The impulse response is finite because there is no feedback in FIR. A lack of feedback guarantees that the impulse response will be finite. The alternative of FIR filter is IR filter, but IR filter use a feedback. So when you input an impulse, that the output is theoretically rings indefinitely. Then you have to discuss about IR filter. That will be the IR filter is called as an infinite impulse response because there is a feedback in the filter. If you put a impulse one sample followed by many sample, that is 0, then infinite number of non-zero value will come out. FR filter are of non-recursive type and its output depend upon the present and previous input sample. IR filter are recursive type and its output depend upon present, past and future sample. A recursive function is a function that calls itself during its execution. This enables the function to repeat itself several times, outputting the result and end each iteration. Transfer function of finite impulse response filter. It is an LTI system with impulse response h of n is equal to 0 for n is less than 0 and n is greater than m. A generalized differential equation of a FIR filter is y of n is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with x of n minus k. Taking z transform on both sides, we get y of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k x of z. Then you are taking y of z divided by x of z, that will generate your h of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k. That x of n minus k is a delay sample of input sample, y of n is your output sample. It will be the generalized transfer function of FIR filter, where b of k is your coefficient of FIR filter. Then take one example of FIR filter. Y of n is equal to 0.2 x of n plus 0.5 x of n minus 1. That will be the delay version of input sample. Design the filter using FIR. Y of n is equal to 0.2 x of n plus 0.5 x of n minus 1. That will be the given data. Then taking z transform on both sides, we get y of z is equal to 0.2 x of z plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1 x of z. Y of z is equal to, take x of z in common, that's why 0.2 plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1. When you are taking y of z divided by x of z, that will generate your h of z is equal to 0.2 plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1. Taking inverse, h of n will be generated, then 0.2 comma 0.5, then h of n is equal to 0 for n is less than 0 and n is greater than 1. Finite impulse response. The realization of above system is shown below. Suppose you consider that will be the input will take from x of n, that is multiplier is 0.2, When you have perform a delay sample of input, that is 0.5 will be the multiplier. X of n multiplier is 0.2 as provided to the summer block. Then delay version of input sample multiplied with 0.5 will be provided to summer or adder block. Then that will generate y of n is equal to 0.2 x of n plus 0.5 x of n minus 1. It is clear from the realization that FIR is an open loop system. Then transfer function of infinite impulse response filter. It is an LTI system with infinite impulse response, a generalized differential equation of a IIR filter. Y of n is equal to minus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k y of n minus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k x of n minus k. Taking z transform on both sides, we get y of z is equal to minus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k multiplied with z to the power minus k y of z plus summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k x of z. Then shift y of z on left side, that y of z plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k multiplied with z to the power minus k y of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k x of z. Then y of z take will be common from this equation. Then y of z multiplied with 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k multiplied with z to the power minus k is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k x of z. When you take y of z divided by x of z, that will generate your h of z. That will be the equation will be generated summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k divided by 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k multiplied with z to the power minus k. It is generalized transfer function of IR filter where a k and b of k is the coefficient of FIR filter. Here take one example. Y of n is equal to y of n plus 0.6 y of n minus 1, that will be delay version of output, is equal to y 0.2 x of n plus 0.5 x of n minus 1 in an IR filter. Given data will be provided. Then you are taking z transform, we get y of z plus 0.6 z to the power minus 1 y of z is equal to 0.2 x of z plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1 x of z. Y of z will be common from this equation. Then generate 1 plus 0.6 z to the power minus 1 is equal to x of z from this equation common x of z, then 0.2 plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1. When you are taking y of z divided by x of z, then that will generate the h of z. H of z is equal to 0.2 plus 0.5 z to the power minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0.6 z to the power minus 1. Realization of above system is shown below. That will be the input side will be denoted. Suppose that will be y of z divided by x of z. The x of z will be multiplied with this signal, means that will be your input side, that will be your output side. That's why input side x of n will be multiplied with 0.2, then delay version will be multiplied with 0.5. Suppose you consider output side, that is y of n multiplied with this, that's why multiplier is 1 for this y of n, and delay version will be multiplied with that 0.6. Suppose you consider that will be with respect to output side, that's why the sign will be changed. Why? Because the arrow will be shown from output side to input side, that's why the sign will be changed. Okay, why that one sign is not changed? Because the arrow will go outside from input side, but here that 0.6 will be in opposite direction, that's why sign will change. It is clear from the above realization IR is closed loop system. IR filter structure. It can be realized by direct form, cascade form, parallel form, lattice form, and lattice ladder form. In this video, we have to study only direct form. First, direct form structure, direct 1 and direct 2. That will be divided into two parts. First, we have to discuss about direct 1 form realization. Transfer function of IR filter is h of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k z to the power minus k divided by 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k z to the power minus k. Suppose you consider these two terms will be provide a structure of direct one form, then you have to write down this equation. Suppose consider first term will be summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k multiplied with z to the power minus k multiplied with 1 divided by this term, that will be 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k z to the power minus k. That h of z represent h1 of z multiplied with h2 of z, where h1 of z will represent the first term, h2 of z represent the second term. H1 of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k z to the power minus k, where h of z is a term generated when at y of z y1 of z divided by x1 of z is equal to this term. When you provide that x1 of z multiplied with this term, then that will generate the equation y1 of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k z to the power minus k x1 of z. Put that value of k from 0 to m, then that will generate b of 0 z to the power 0 x of z x1 of z plus b1 z to the power minus 1 x1 of z plus so on b of m z to the power minus m x1 of z. Then we have take inverse, then that will generate y1 of n is equal to b0 x1 of n plus b1 x1 of n minus 1 plus bm x1 of n minus m. That will be the realization shown. That will be the realization from input side. When you consider, that will be the b0 b1 bn, and that will be the bm minus 1 and bn. Delay version will be shown as a previous you have discussed. Again, h2 of z will provide 1 upon this term, that h2 of z represented by y2 of z divided by x2 of z. Then y2 of z is equal to this term multiplied with x2 of z. Then y2 of z is equal to, that will provide the term. Suppose you have considered that x2 of z, that denominator will be multiplied with y2 of z, that will generate this equation y2 of z plus y2 of z multiplied with this term, right? Then you have provide the value. Suppose x2 of z will be provide, then y2 of z plus a1 z to the power minus 1 y2 of z plus a2 z to the power minus 2 y2 z plus an z to the power minus n y2 of z. When you have put value from k is equal to 1 to n, then that will generate the equation. When you are taking inverse, x2 of n is equal to y2 of n plus a1 y2 n minus 1 plus a2 y2 of n minus 2 plus an y2 n minus n. The realization will be provide this. If you consider, that will be direct one form realization will be takes place, then that will be complete realization will provide a combination of these two. First structure, input side h1 of z and h2 of z, that can be realized direct one form realization. As it is, you have put h1 of z and h2 of z realization. Direct two form. In the direct one form structure, m plus n delay element are required, which are optimized to maximum mn delay element. In direct two form realization, transfer function of IR filter is h of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m b of k z to the power minus k divided by 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to n a of k z to the power minus k equal to This term will be considered as a one term. The second term will be provided as second. Suppose you consider that will be the h2 of z and that is h1 of z. Then realization will be provided the same, but that will be the x1 of side and that will be the x1 input side and that will be the output side. If you are combine it in a direct to form, then the direction of this will be changed. The two set of the delay element of the above structure can be replaced by maximum mn delay element as shown below. Case 1, when m is equal to n. Suppose you have considered that m is equal to n. That's why that will generate the equation for n, that will be structure, m will be the structure, and both are m and n will be the same. Case 2, m is greater than n. When m is greater than n, then that will generate this equation. M is greater and n is less than this m value. That's why that structure will be generated here. Suppose you have considered that m is less than n, then n will be more and m will be less in that equation. Then realize that system with the difference equation y of n is equal to 3 by 4 y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2 plus x of n plus 1 by 3 x of n minus 1. Use direct one form and direct two form. Direct one form realization of given structure. Suppose you have considered that will be direct one form, then that will be the x of n is equal to, what will be the term of x of n? Input term, that will be the x of n plus 1 by 3 x of n minus 1. Means multiplier will be 1 for first condition and second delay version will be provided multiplier is 1 by 3. That's why you have generated this term. Second times, that will be the y of n output side. Output side will provide a delay version. When you take left side, that will change the sign. That's why y of n delay version will be provided multiplied by 1 by 3 3 by 4, right? Then that will be the n minus 2 delay by 2 sample, that will be multiplied with 1 by 8. When you take it on left side, that will change the sign, that will be the minus 3 by 4. That's why that will provide the direction inside, that's why sign will be changed. Then when 1 by 8 will be shift on left side, that will be the plus sign will be there. When you provide inside arrow, that sign will be changed, that is minus 1 by 8. Direct two form realization of given structure, that IR filter. Suppose you consider that y of n side will be on left side and x of n side will be on right side, then this structure will be generated as it is, that will be the combination. First position delay version will be generated for input, then in y of side, that will be delay version of input. First stage, second stage will be considered, and that will be the x of n, that is your y of n, that is called as a direct two form realization. Obtain direct one and direct two form realization for IR system given by h of z is equal to this equation, that h of z represent the term that is equal to divide y of z divided by x of z, right? Dividing numerator by denominator by 0.5. Suppose you consider this equation will be provided, then you have to divide this equation by 0.5, means that will provide the equation 0.4 plus 0.62 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.8 z to the power minus 2 divided by 1 plus 0.6 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.34 z to the power minus 2 minus 0.6 z to the power minus 3, right? Then direct one form realization of given filter, that will be the input side will be provided. Suppose y of z divided by x of z multiplied with this numerator, means you have to consider first x of z multiplier will be, means x of n multiplier is 0.4, right? Then delay version multiplier is 0.6, then delay by 2 sample multiplier is 0.8. Direction will be outside, sir, outside. Then if you consider that y of z divided by x of z, y of z multiplied with this denominator, means that will provide the direction. Y of z first time 1, means you have to show here 1, or if you have not shown 1, no problem. Suppose you consider that the 0.6, that direction is inside, that's why sign will change. Delay by 1 sample. 0.34, delay by 2 sample, sign will change. Delay by 3 sample, that will be sign will be changed, negative to positive, right? Direct 2 form realization, that will be direct 1 form. When you have formed a direct 2 form realization, then combination will be takes place, that will be shifted on left side, that will shifted on right side. You have to combine these two structure, that is called as a direct 2 form of realization as it is. Obtain direct 1 and direct 2 form realization. H of z is equal to 0.28 z to the power minus 2 plus 0.319 z plus 0.04 divided by this equation. If you consider that numerator and denominator by z to the power 3, then what happened? That will generate the equation in reverse direction, means that will be 0.28 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.319 z to the power minus 2 plus 0.04 z to the power minus 3, then divided by this equation 1 plus 0.6 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.34 z to the power minus 2 minus 0.4 z to the power minus 3. Then you have to realize this equation in direct 1 form. That will be the x of y of z divided by x of z. X of z will be multiplied with this numerator, but here no multiplier for x of n, that will be d, that's why you have shown here gap. X of n is multiplied with delay version of 0.014, then delay by 2 sample multiplied with this, delay by 3 sample multiplied with this, then y of n is your output divided by input. Y of n is multiplied with denominator, that's why that will be the multiplier is 1, then 0.6 delay by 1 sample, that sign will change. 0.34 delay by 2 sample, the sign will change. Delay by 3 sample 0.4, the sign will change. Then you have to combine this for generation of direct 2 form, shifting this on right side, left side, and this will be shifted on left side, and this will be shifted on right side. That will generate direct 2 form of structure. Realization of filter is in direct 1 and direct 2 form. H of z is equal to 1 upon this equation. If you solve this cube, that will generate this equation. Then that y of z upon x of z. X of z multiplied with this means numerator has no value. That's why input is directly connected, and that will generate this equation, that y of n multiplied with this, then delay version 3a, sign will change. Delay version 3a square by 2 sample, that's why sign will change. Then delay by 3 sample, that is minus a3, a to the power cube, a to the power 3, that's why that sign will change, right? Direct 1 and direct 2 form realization will be generated. Obtain direct 1 and direct 2 form realization of h of z is equal to 1 minus z to the power minus 4 divided by this equation. You have to realize that y of z by x of z multiplied with this numerator, that will generate this equation. Input side first time multiplier is 1, then delay by 4 sample directly multiplied with this equation, that's why that structure will generated. Then for output side, that will be the y of n y of n divided by x of n. Y of n is multiplied with this denominator. Then that will generate 1 is multiplied with y of n. Then delay by 2 sample. This delay by 2 sample and delay by 4 sample. With this, if you have performed the direct to form, the combination will be takes place. That will be shifted on left side, that will shifted on right side, and that combination is called as a direct to form realization. Suppose obtain direct form, one form and direct to form of given equation, that will be the provide y of n is equal to this equation. Then you have to shift these y of n terms on left side and x of n term on right side. Then that will generate the direct one form, x of n multiplied 1 by 3 multiplied with delay version of this, that's why 1 by 3. Then for y of n you have considered that will be the multiply is 1. Then 3 by 4 delay version of 1, that's why sign will change. Then 1 by 8 multiplied with delay sample 2, the sign will change. If you have shifted this on left side and that will shifted on right side and the combination will takes place, that is called as direct to form realization. Same for here, that is h of z is equal to this equation. If you consider y of z divided by x of z, means this equation will be provide summation will takes place from 0 to m b of k z to the power minus n 1 plus this equation. That's why you consider that equation will be divided with these terms, means that will be put 1 plus this term. That's why you divide this equation by 2 multiplied by 2 to get this equation, right? Then you generate this y of z, means will be the denominator multiply and x of z will be numerator. Then that will generate this equation and you have to draw the structure with respect to this. Suppose you have considered x of n multiplied with 0.4 multiply, delay version will be multiplied with 0.6, then delay by 2 sample multiplied with 0.8. Here y of n is multiplied with 1, then 0.6 delay version will be multiplied, the sign will change. 0.34 delay by 2 sample, sign will change. 0.6 sign change, delay by 3 sample. When you combine that, left side will be shifted on right side and right side shifted on left side, then that is combination will take place and that is called as a direct to form. Then determine direct one and direct two form of equation. This equation will generate y of n will be shifted on left side and x of n will be shifted on right side. If you have considered x of n multiplied with 1, that will be the input. Then this term will be multiplied by delay version by 1. That's why you have provide this equation. If you consider y of n, that will be the 1 is multiplied. Then that delay by 1 sample will be multiplied with this, sign will change because arrow is inside. Then minus b square multiplied by multiplier is there, delay by 2 signal. Then when you combine this direct one form, means that is shifted on left side and that will be shifted on right side, that will form a direct to form of realization. Thank you very much, sir, for your patience. Thank you.